Click on the link below to get price. The Rockford Fosgate HD9813SGU Stage 3 Digital Media Receiver, 6 Speakers and Amplifier Kit is an impressive audio system tailored for those who prioritize sound quality and performance in their vehicles. From the moment I unboxed the kit, it was evident that Rockford Fosgate had put significant thought into the user experience and product efficiency. Installation was surprisingly straightforward, thanks to the well-detailed instructions. The receiver itself boasts a sleek design with a vibrant display that is easy to navigate, even while driving. Its Bluetooth connectivity was a major plus, allowing me to stream music effortlessly from my smartphone. The clarity of sound produced by the receiver is remarkable, ensuring that every note and beat is crisp and clear. The 6 speakers included in the kit are a standout feature. They are engineered to deliver a balanced sound, offering a rich bass response without overpowering mids and highs. The speakers are durable and weather-resistant, which is essential for outdoor adventures or inclement weather. The inclusion of an amplifier further enhances the audio experience, providing the power necessary to drive the speakers effectively without distortion, even at higher volumes. One of the most impressive aspects of the HD9813SGU Stage 3 kit is its versatility. It supports various audio formats and features, including USB inputs and an auxiliary jack, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. The customizable equalizer settings allow users to fine-tune their audio experience, tailoring it to their personal preferences or the acoustics of their vehicle. Overall, the Rockford Fosgate HD9813SGU Stage 3 Digital Media Receiver, 6 Speakers and Amplifier Kit surpasses expectations in both performance and quality. For anyone looking to enhance their car's audio system, this kit is a worthy investment that delivers a premium listening experience and a significant upgrade from factory-installed systems. Whether you're cruising down the highway or parked at a tailgate, this audio kit will elevate your enjoyment of music to new heights.